I'm here in Telford, Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence with James Boyman. Now, James, tell me a little bit about this event we're seeing today.
Okay, so this is an SMA event first and foremost, but we've also introduced a bit of scanning to the day just to mix it up a bit, make it a little bit more interesting. The SMA days are really tied in with the releases of PC-DMIS software. So twice a year we have a PC-DMIS release, one in around April time, one October time. Tied to that we then have an SMA day event such as this, so that we send release notes out to the customers with all the enhancements and things like that. They don't always read them, and it can be a little bit difficult for them to digest if they don't know what feature we're talking about. So for them to come along to the events such as this, they can see firsthand and find out a bit more about it.
I suppose it's a bit of a networking opportunity, but also looking at the array of different products that you've got in the showroom as well. It's an opportunity to brand as well.
It is, yeah. I mean, we don't really promote it as a sales day. We certainly don't go down the hard sell route, but people like myself and colleagues are around for the day. If anybody does want to speak to us about a specific project that they've got, we're on hand to help them. It really is more so aimed at giving our or the companies that have invested in our equipment something back and sharing our experiences with them.
And the great thing with your team here as well, you've got a number of technical guys that actually sort of work on individual factors, and I suppose that's a great benefit for your customers coming in here as well.
Well, it is, yeah. So not only is the PC-DMIS software that is an in-house software, it's a Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence software. We've got the programmers here, but we've also got the applications team who are specialists in different areas. They all obviously have their own strengths, but they're all here today if there's a specific module or area that they want to learn more about.
And in your opinion, why should your customers actually take the time out of their day to actually come to these events?
That's a tough question, really. I would expect really that they should take the time out because they can learn so much in a day here spent with the experts in the field that may or may not ever happen again. So that we're here, you know, they can interact with us. There is also networking opportunities, of course. You know, there are like or similar customers that are here for the day as well that they might have a shared experience with. I mean, we have a forum. PC-DMIS has a forum where users can post requests and observations and recommendations down on there. And really that's where PC-DMIS or the SMA or the new releases for PC-DMIS, should I say, are where these enhancements come from. But people coming on the day, you know, can speak to the people, get in the face, if you like, if there really is something specific that they want to see introduced into the software.
Well, like great innovators of metrology opportunities and options for their customers, you always listen to your customers, and I see that you've got over 70,000 users of PC-DMIS in the world.
That's right, yeah. Now, that's not that we say, because I think a lot of people associate the software PC-DMIS as being used on CMMs and purely CMMs. It isn't. The PC-DMIS is a software platform that can be spread across the whole portfolio of products, from the CMMs, of course, but also the multi-sensor systems, also the arms, the portable arms, and even the laser trackers.
So, finally, if any customers of yours actually want to come in, not only to network, find out a little bit more technical about the enhancements, can they bring parts here to be measured?
They can, yeah. As part of the day, this afternoon, for example, we'll be having a live demonstration event. We've previously invited customers to bring their parts along, as long as they're not covered by an NDA or something, that they can bring along, and we can perform the live demo on that. They can throw a challenge towards us, and we can show them the best way around it.
Well, we're looking forward to joining in the day with you. Thanks very much for your tea.
Thanks a lot, Mark. Cheers.